Today's quickie is so quick that I'm going to take just 1 second to run outside and show y'all something. So come on with me. I just want to show you guys these gorgeous purple pansies that I planted today. I'm so tired of looking at gray and brown everywhere. So to have this pop of purple color is so nice. These are always the first flowers I plant in the early spring. And it's just a really good reminder that spring is on the way. Now, like I promised, today's quickie is quick. Make sure you stick around to the end and try to see if you can answer today's music trivia question. Let me know down in the comments if you got it right. I'm going to show y'all a picture of me as a little kid. Now, my mother was not the mom who made all the fancy Easter cakes and made the pies and did all that. That just wasn't my mom. However, we did have good sweet stuff. And one of the things we had is something that we're going to make here today. Now, we usually made these with RC Cola. Now, that was delicious and sometimes I still enjoy it. But today, we're going to make a big red float. I've been on a major kick for these lately, and once I started drinking them, I remember why. They're flippin' delicious. You're going to need some good vanilla ice cream. We're going to put a couple of scoops of that in a glass. Next, we're going to add some Big Red soda. Now, for those of you that don't live in this part of the country, Big Red is a cream soda. It's kind of a regional thing. So if you don't have that, orange soda works, Coca-Cola works, any type of soda works. I'm going to use one of the small 7.5 ounce cans because that's really all you need for this. Your ice cream's in your glass. We're going to start adding our soda. Might have to take a little pause for the foam to settle down. And sometimes I like to use a spoon to kind of start moving things around a little bit. Voila! I'm going to continue to mix this up just a little bit with a spoon because I want my vanilla ice cream to melt and just kind of make a big red milkshake. We're going to add a straw. Heaven. With summer coming on, this is definitely a treat you're going to want to remember. This drink brings back so many good memories for me, sitting outside on a hot summer day with my dad, my mom. Happy times. Think about starting up those memories with your own kids or grandkids. We've just about made it through this week. It's almost over. I hope the rest of it is great for you. Don't forget, we'll have a brand new video out on Monday. Until then, keep jamming.